I think here itself around 180 plus have joined, and it's not about people joining Tipra Motha. It is about people connecting with us. Why do people join one party to another? That is not important. What is important is that when the Tiprasas come together, how can we change the future of our next generation? I have learnt a lot. You're a young man, you're a new reporter, you're a new journalist. I'll tell you something. In life, if you only do politics, you will never achieve anything. But if you love your people with your heart, they know that there's a genuine person there working for them, and they come. But then again, I also appeal to my party people that you have to also learn from Bubagra and be humble, be nice, and genuinely love your people. Nobody from outside will come and change our lives. We have to take responsibility of our lives. And I have seen that, today, like I gave a message about unity. Unity is not political, it is about your Dofa. And I'm Dofa. 5 years. Yeah. Those people who are traveling now were silent for 5 years. They wouldn't even come to Tiprasa area. Yeah. But now that the election is closed, these people have started traveling to Tiprasa areas. So that's why you all are focusing on me. But I have been all over. In fact, I was in Rehma Valley and Ganganagar 2 months ago, 3 months ago. Before that also I was there. I've been here for the last 5-6 years. These guys are coming for the first time because election is closed, so they want to show that they really love our Tiprasa people. But the Tiprasa people are very intelligent. They know that who really is for them and who really is here only to ask for votes.
And congratulations to us. What is your views?
First of all, young man, I was also a journalist. So there's a difference between being brutally attacked and someone pelting pebbles at
stone.
Pebbles. They were not stones. Stones are big. I was attacked in Mohanpur in 2021 in open CCTV camera. I was attacked in the SDM's office. Did one person ever get arrested? Why? When Bishwajit Dev Burma was murdered by Pinak Nath, the fireman in Kanchanpur, during Panisagar, you saw the face of that Pinak Nath fellow. Why hasn't he been arrested? When Parmeshwar Young was killed in Gandatisa, not very far from here, people were arrested. They have been released on bail. When Anjal Chakma was killed 3 months ago, yet the main person who is killed is in Nepal and nobody is making any noise. People have forgotten about it. I condemn any sort of violence. अगर किसी ने क्या नाम है आपने बोला, बिपिन की गाड़ी में पत्थर फेंका, नहीं फेंकना चाहिए. लेकिन हमको कभी कभी लगता है कि ये लोग भी कभी कभी केस फैब्रिकेट करते हैं, क्योंकि तब उनको पीएसओ मिलेगा और पीएसओ मिल के तब घूमेगा तो थोड़ा वीआईपी से लगेगा. लेकिन अगर जेन्युइन अटैक हुआ है तो जो लोगों ने अटैक किया उनके अगेंस्ट कार्रवाई हो और उनको अरेस्ट किया जाए. मैं उनको डिफेंड नहीं करूँगा, क्योंकि मैं कभी भी क्रिमिनल एलिमेंट्स को डिफेंड नहीं करता. एंड जब कमलपुर में भी फाइट हुआ था शांतिर बाजार में, सबसे पहले आई वॉज द मैन हु वेंट एंड विजिटेड द लोकल SDM जिसके ऊपर अटैक हुआ था, मैं खुद GP हॉस्पिटल गया और मैंने उनके फैमिली के सामने बोला बहुत गलत हुआ। आज तक तिपरा मोथा के वर्कर्स को जब मारा गया है, CPM के वर्कर्स को मारा गया है, कितने बार बिपिन देव वर्मा या BJP भी नहीं, 1-2 लीडर्स ने हॉस्पिटल जाकर घायल से बात किया, एक बार भी नहीं। तो व्हाई शुड यू ओनली आस्क, ये भी माइक उनके मुंह पे भी लगाकर पूछे कभी कभी, नहीं पूछेंगे आप, क्योंकि अगर आप पूछेंगे तो आपका केबल चैनल काट देगा, ठीक है, मैं जानता हूँ, तो आप नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन स्टिल आई लव ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल। और अंत में योर वोट, हर वोट, हिज वोट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन दोज पीपल्स वोट, एंड दीज पीपल आर विथ मी एंड वी विल विन।
Thank you so much, bro.